Hello people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about the fact that the prospects of a COVID-19 vaccine that are being entertained by a lot of governments around the world. A lot of people, in a sense, various companies around the world in various countries are saying that we have got a COVID-19 vaccine, and our vaccine is going to be effective. So people are doing their own thing. People are developing vaccines in different countries, but are they going to be effective? Would they have any kinds of side effects? Now, I'm not one of those anti-vaxxers people. I'm definitely not one of those people. What the point that I'm trying to make is because, or the skepticism that I have regarding the efficacy of the vaccines in this front, at least in the case of COVID-19, is basically this: we did not even know about this virus, about this novel strain of coronavirus last November. This virus was first officially detected in China, in the Wuhan province, in December, I think, or maybe it was already there in November. But this disease is this new strain of coronavirus is very new. It is very new for scientists all around the world. Of course, different strains of coronavirus have existed. I think that because since people are saying that it is a novel strain of coronavirus, so I guess there are other strains of coronavirus that they are acquainted with, or at least scientists are acquainted with. But to say that a vaccine would be ready within December, and it is today July, so within 6 or 7 months a vaccine is ready. Clinical trials have been completed, or are on the verge of completion, or are on the verge of, or basically in various countries vaccines have already reached the clinical trial stage, or are about to enter the clinical trial stage. I do not know just how it was even possible. I mean, within 6 or 7 months developing a vaccine like this, and maybe the urgency of that governments had, because it was a global pandemic, and that's why people or governments around the world focused a greater number of resources in order to develop the vaccine for this ailment as soon as possible. I can understand the urgency that governments would have, and that's why they would have poured in way more money to developing a vaccine, if right now in this situation, compared to what they would have done if this wasn't a global pandemic. Then there wouldn't have been as much investment in the search for a vaccine for this disease. And the vaccine would have taken a longer time to develop a vaccine. So I can understand the urgency. That's why governments have poured in more money. That's why I guess things are progressing faster as far as the development of the vaccine is concerned. But is it going to be safe? Are appropriate precautions going to be taken by various countries? I'm not going to highlight or blame any specific country. Are specific precautions are specific, or our clinical trials are going to be done on huge numbers of patients, or only a select few number of patients? And what bearing would that have on the eventual efficacy of the vaccines, and potential side effects of vaccines that might be manifested when these vaccines are administered on a huge scale? If we do not test for any side effects properly amongst a huge number of people, or a huge number, basically if we don't test the vaccine on a huge number of people, or maybe on 100,000 people, then I guess it would be controversial, and it is quite possible that vaccines would end up having side effects, just because we were in a hurry to develop a vaccine in the first place. Because a lot of people are saying that a vaccine would take at least one and a half years to make, if we follow the proper process, and even if we speed up the proper process, even if we pour in a huge amount of resources in order to develop this vaccine, even then it would take at least 1.5 years to develop this vaccine. But a lot of countries, or maybe a few countries, are saying that, you know what, we are on the verge of developing a new vaccine, and we are on the verge of a scientific breakthrough. We have done all the testing. I mean, it's just 6 months. How could you have done all the testing in such a short amount of time? You did not even know much about this novel strain of coronavirus. How could you have developed this vaccine and tested it properly on huge numbers of patients so fast? It really rings some alarm bells, if you ask me. So if a vaccine is available in August or September or November of this year, would you take it? Would you administer it on? Would you take that vaccine? Would you get vaccinated if it's this year? I do not know. You know what? More on this in the next video. Until then, please consider liking this video. Please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That will help me a lot. And until the next video, stay safe. Goodbye, and God bless you.